Congratulations on joining the Bachami family. This is the first step for you for your future business, for your future career, for your future self. This is really exciting. Now, before you leave, one of the biggest struggles that I find any and all students learning a new skill and opening a brand new business is actually how to get the clients through the door once you finish your studies. Now, it's one thing to learn your skill, learn how to be a business owner, learn how to think like a business owner, learn how to set up your business correctly, learn how to brand. Now, these are all things that are in the course that you've just purchased. But the one remaining step, and this is probably the most important step for you to become a successful business owner, is to learn how to actually market and get the customers through the door. Now, organic social media is a really great place to start, but if you're anything like me and you're a really busy person and honestly you don't want to be sitting on your phone all the time, and you don't have that much time to make all this organic content and learn the best way to make reels and TikToks, that's a great place to start. The next step to bypass and quick pace your business is to run meta ads. Now, this is something I've done in my business for the last 15 years, and I have had consecutive booked up days for myself, my team members, ever since I launched my business. I've never been in a position where my business has been struggling, and I strongly believe it's because I have absolutely nailed running meta ads. The course that I'm offering you today to upgrade to is not only going to take you step by step through the bonus free tech prenup where you set up everything in the background for running ads, like your pixels, how to set up your retargeting audiences, how to actually use Ads Manager and Business Manager. I make it so easy. It is really confusing if you've never done it before. And then you also have your second course. Now, this is the course that is valued normally at $497. It's $97 today for you for life. This is going to take you step by step through how to set up testing ads using traffic ads, how to retarget, and retargeting, that is the secret sauce to getting people to come in to see you specifically in your new business, your hair extension business, and then also how to set up a sales campaign, which would run straight to your website. So you've got 3 different campaigns that you need to be able to run to be successful and to get clients on demand 24 hours of the day. I very rarely post on my social media. I have 2 babies under 3, as you know from reading my story. I don't particularly love making content because I don't want to be on my phone all the time, and I have consecutively run ads for 12 to 15 years now, and I have been successful every step of the way using ads. Grab the course, do yourself a favor, bypass the bullshit, and just get the clients straight through the door as soon as you've finished doing all your technical training and your entrepreneur elements course. Let me know how you go. I will see you on the other side.